Welcome to Technologia. And here I've got the Meross Smart Wi-Fi garage door opener, which allows you to open your garage door using your phone, or you can just use something like Alexa or Google Home to open your garage door. You can just basically say, "Hey Alexa, open the garage door," and it should open it for you. This thing only works with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. The reason why I chose this is because I use an Android, my wife uses an iPhone, and there is an Apple HomeKit version that sells for $10 more. But again, I was a bit stingy, wanted to save a bit on money, so I just bought the one without Apple HomeKit. Will I regret this decision? Maybe, but let's figure it out first. So on the box it talks about some of its features like auto open and close. So it allows you to open and close the garage using your phone or whatever smart home device you have. It also has like a security pin code, which is an additional layer of protection. And I know that for Amazon Alexa you need this. Then you also have the door notification. So if accidentally or if someone triggers the door open or door close, you'll get a notification on your phone, which is quite handy. And then it also has a sound alarm, which is optional. You can set it up or you can't, but it is a cool feature to have. So when you open the box, you are greeted by a bunch of these things. And then you also have a user manual which talks about how to set up the whole thing up. So on this particular box you have the device itself, which is like which looks like this. It comes with a USB type A connector on one end, and I think this might be for charging. So you've got this red and black cable that will be hooked onto the sensor, and so that sensor will trigger the notification that you receive on your phone. You've got the other end that has two cables, blue and green, that will be hooked onto your garage motor, and this is what will trigger the open and close function. All right, so we'll keep this aside for now. In the second box, you've got the charging. Yep, you've got the charging brick. And this is what will charge your device. And in the third and final box, you've got a really long cable. This cable is about 5 to 10 meters long possibly, and has dual ends. So on one end you've got this sensor, and then the other end has got the red and black cable, which will be hooked onto your Meross device, which should be pretty straightforward. You've also got the sensor plate and a bit of a sticky foam pad along with a few screws. So yeah, that's all that's inside the box, and now let's see how to install it. So in order to get started, you need to install the Meross app. The link to that Meross app is in that quick installation guide, and you can find it on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you can mount the system very close to the garage motor. So you need a dual wall plug so that you can connect your Meross, and I can power the motor simultaneously. So once you have powered on the device, the light will bring amber and then green. So just wait for that for a few seconds. You just press plus and you just scroll down and select whichever device you want to add. In our case, it's the smart garage door. So once you have done that, you just follow the setup wizard and finish your configuration. So once you have powered on your smart device, try moving your sensors forward and backward just to check if it works or not. Once you have done that, you need to find a spot in your garage to mount these sensors. So the idea is that this sensor is mounted on the garage door, which moves, and then this sensor with the cable is the one that's actually sensing the door opening and closing. So this is mounted on a static surface like a wall that's really close to the sensor. The distance between these two sensors should be less than an inch or 25 millimeters. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And now let's see how to install it. So in my case, I did not have enough space between the garage door and the wall to put in the sensors. So I put the sensors on the rail tracks, and it was quite simple. I just used double-sided tape and it did the trick. It looks something like this. My wire kind of runs up there, across, then over the frame, and then into the Meross smart device. So once you confirm that your sensor is working, go ahead and power off your main garage door motor so that you can hook up your smart device to your garage door. I've got the Steel Line ST50 EVOB, which has these kind of terminals. Oh, I'm not sure if you can... Yep, that's it. So all you have to do is you have to kind of lift those orange pins 1 and 2 and pull this blue thing out, and then insert the cable into the pin numbers 1 and 2, and then insert this blue thing along with it. Once you have done that, then you have successfully attached your signal cable into your motors, and then you can go ahead and switch on the power and your garage door should open automatically. So if I go into my app now and I say open, there we go.
Tecnologia!
Well, I've finished setting up the smart garage opener and it works now. But the goal is to open this door using Alexa, and we'll test it out now. Alexa, open the Batcave.
What's your voice code for the Batcave? Unlock it.
Tecnologia!
Alexa, close the Batcave.
Locking. Hang on.
So there you have it. I'll be using Alexa to integrate a lot of these smart features throughout my home and streamline a lot of these processes. So please hang around, like and subscribe my channel if you want to see more of this kind of content, and let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Till then, I'll just sign off and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.